Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in on my channel. So a few videos back I had a comparison video between the Saint Laurent Loulou medium and small, and in this video I have it's like a follow-up. I have since returned the medium size just because I feel like it's way too big for me and I prefer the small size much better. But then I saw the Toy Loulou size. It's a mini bag, so I was really curious, and the color was almost sold out everywhere, but I managed to get my hands on it, and it's in a pale blush color, as you can see at the back. I'm gonna talk about them in a second. So in this video I'm gonna compare the small and the toy size. I hope that it can be helpful and useful because I know that these bags are currently very popular right now, and a lot of people are asking which size fits better or which size they should get, and I hope that this video can help answer some of those questions. So if you have any further questions after this video, feel free to leave the questions down below or just DM me on my Instagram. I have two Instagram accounts, at heyamadea and at heyamadea, but if you're interested on all my bags and luxury stuff, follow me on heyamadea. And yeah, let's just get started. So the first bag, you've seen this bag before. This is the Saint Laurent in the small size in the white color, and it comes in this what you call this, silver hardware. Thank you, silver hardware. All of my bags in the past, it's mostly like gold hardware, so I really wanted a silver hardware, so that's the one that I got. And for the toy size, the mini size, I got in the pale blush color. So if you remember from my past videos, my very first luxury bag that my then boyfriend, now husband, got me is this Saint Laurent wallet on chain. I still love this bag very much. Two pieces. I've always said that I treated this bag with love and care, and it really doesn't show any wear and tear up till now. I think it's something to do with the texture of the leather, and it really has held up pretty well. But this color is in the pale blush in gold hardware, and this one, it's also in the pale blush color but in a silver hardware. So as you can see, they look pretty much almost identical in the color, but the finish of the leather is different. This one is in this pebbled green, I believe it's called leather, so it's very sturdy, very structured. And whereas this one it comes in this smooth leather, and some might say this is like a very squishy bag. It reminds me of like a comforter, or just something very squishy and something very cozy. That's what I think when I see at this bag. So let's just talk about the price first. So the price here in the States, this one retails for $19.50 and this one retails for $11.90. So there quite a big of price difference there, and especially the size, it's also a little bit different. Well, not a little bit, it's very much different. So I'm gonna show you later in the video what fits inside. I'm gonna start with the small size, and then I'm gonna show you what fits inside the toy, and then also of course the mug shot, so you can see the comparison between the two. Talking about the small bag, if you've seen my previous video, you have seen that this one comes in the strap comes in this combination of leather. Like you have a leather strap here, so when you put it on your shoulder, it stays comfortable, but it also has this combination of the chain, which I think the combination of the leather and the chain makes this bag a little more sophisticated and a little more formal looking. Whereas for the toy size, which because of the size, I think it is meant for crossbody, and I have the strap here. Let me just put it on so you can see. The toy size the strap is all, everything's leather, so there is no chain, where that's why I think that this bag kind of is more like casual looking because of the strap. Because I always think when there's a chain, a combo of the leather and chain, it makes it more formal, whereas when it's all leather, it makes it more casual looking. But that's just my opinion. And then on the small size, it all both open like so. So the small size comes with one zippered compartment in the middle, and it has one slip pocket at the back, and then basically two very spacious compartments. And whereas for the toy size, it opens like so. And let me just, so what's different with the toy size, in the middle it has a slip pocket. There is no zipper, but you also got a zip pocket here, zippered pocket at the back. So it's kind of like a kind of different, but basically the same thing. You have extra security with the zippered compartment, but you also have the slip pocket for the extra convenience. So now let's see what fits inside. Okay, we're gonna start what fits inside with the small size first. So I have some SLGs, a perfume, a phone, a powder, and my phone, and we're gonna fit all of them inside the small one. Alright, so as you can see, the bag is totally empty right now. I'm just gonna fit this Louis Vuitton mini pochette. It's still very popular right now. I'm just gonna put on the front pocket there, and then I'm gonna take my Chanel card holder, put it at the back, and then my other Chanel card holder. I don't normally bring two, but this is just for a comparison purpose, so that I can fit two at the back. So this is my Louis Vuitton zippy wallet, and I'm gonna see if I can fit at the front here, and maybe I have to move around the mini pochette. So that's how it looks like. And then I have my powder there. I have my lipstick. This is one of my favorite. This is Saint Laurent Loulou Shine number 8. And then I have my perfume, Jo Malone. I don't normally bring perfume anywhere I go, but I know some people do. So there, I can scoop it there. And then I have my phone for easy access. You can always put it there in the middle. So that's how it looks like. And let's see if it can close now. Okay, it's slightly difficult to close, but as you can see, it closed perfectly. Sorry for the rattle. It closed perfectly, but I might have an easier time maybe if I put the phone at the back pocket. This is iPhone 11, just for reference. And there, so that's what it looks like inside. So now let me see if I can close. So I can close it there, no problem. So now we're gonna move some of the items inside the toy Loulou. Let's see what we can fit inside. It's completely empty right now. I'm gonna try to fit the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, which it can't fit. It barely fit, so we have to let that go. And the card holder, let's put it at the back, and another card holder. This is probably excessive to have two card holders inside a mini bag, but let's just go with me here. My zippy wallet at the front there. So let's see if you want still to fit your lipstick inside, your perfume at the top. I cannot fit my my powder, and my phone is a must-have, so I can't really fit that either, so I have to really let go. So usually what I do, I don't really normally use like 3 card holder. I usually just bring 1, so I don't really usually use a wallet if I already have my card holder. So let's just go with that holder and then my phone. Let's see if I can fit my phone at the back. Okay, so I have my compacts, my lipstick, and my perfume, my phone, and my card holder there, as you can see. And then I can close it. No problem. So there you go. That's what fits inside the small and the mini. Okay, so for the mug shot, I have a small size here. As you can see, I'm 37 weeks pregnant right now, so I don't know if you can tell from my baby bump, but anyway, the small size, I feel like this is a perfect shoulder drop length. It sits very comfortable on me. I don't have any complaint, and with this I would usually just wear it like so as a over the shoulder bag, but you can totally wear it as a crossbody. Let me just use it so some people say that, I've heard people complaining that it's a bit too bulky as a crossbody, but I don't feel so. I can see how it can be too bulky, but I don't know, I feel like it's just hits on the right spot, and yeah, I can totally wear it as a crossbody. Now this is the toy Loulou, and that's Murphy right there, trying to get a sneak peek. But anyway, so which I think this is because of the mini size. I think it's just meant to be a crossbody. It's the right spot. It's not too low, it's not too high, but you can always wear it over the shoulder like so if you prefer, but I like it as a crossbody. By side, you can see the small one is a little bit, falls a little bit lower than the toy Loulou, but both is, I feel like it's a perfect, I don't know, it's a good size. I can't really decide if you ask me to choose, because they both have serve a different purpose. Obviously the small one is holds much more, and it's also with the chain length, it's more versatile in terms of the use, whereas with the toy Loulou you can only wear it as a crossbody, so it really depends on your lifestyle or which one do you wear the most. Okay, so just as a bonus mug shot for you guys, I'm comparing the toy Loulou with the Walton chain, because I know that a lot of people have this bag, and I know this is just a side-by-side comparison. And as you can see, toy Loulou where you wear it just across the body, but you can adjust the length a little bit. I haven't adjusted from the store yet, but it does compare like so. And yeah, I like them both, and yeah, anyway, so that's just Murphy. Take a sneak peek of Murphy. Say hi, Murphy. Hi, Murphy. Look at his tail. Hi, say hi to the camera. Hi. Hi. Okay. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Okay. So that's all my comparison video, the small Loulou with the toy Loulou. I hope that it answers some of your questions. It helped you one way or another. It can be useful for you, especially if you're deciding whether to get the Loulou but you're confused or which size to get. Make sure you also watch the medium and small comparisons so you get the whole picture. And I have been enjoying both of the bags, but I have to be honest, I haven't really worn them as much as I wanted to because of the current situation. I've been staying at home a lot lot more than I want to. So I've been really cooped at home, which I'm sure a lot of you are also. And I've heard a lot of stores are opening, malls are opening very soon, so I can't wait. Well, probably it's not really the best idea to go to the mall once it opened the first day, but I just can't wait for everything to go back, or to go back to the new normal, if that makes sense. Anyway, I hope that everyone stays safe. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also follow me on Instagram if you enjoy any of my bag reviews. I post bag reviews and also mod shots and bag comparison pictures on my other Instagram account at heyamadea. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.